Students, now we are going to study about some properties of multiplication up to complex numbers. So, in the quadratic equations and complex number chapter, here multiplication of complex number, some properties here. Number one is closure property. Closure भन्ने चीज के हो? दोस्तों addition of in the addition closure property was addition of two complex number is always a complex number. Like the same here, product of two complex number is a complex number. दुईटा complex number को product पनि के हुन्छ? complex number हुन्छ. Number second is commutative. Commutative means here product of two complex numbers doesn't change on changing their order. Like z1 into z2 is equal to z2 into z1. Order change गर्दा पनि केही difference हुँदैन. z1 into z2 is equal to, in the real numbers you have studied like this, if 3 into 4 also written is 4 into 3 in the case of real numbers. Just like same, if two complex number is given here, so z1 and z2 is given, so we can write also z2 into z1. Number 3 is associative property. z1 into z2 in the first bracket into z3 equal to z1 outside the bracket, and this z2 into z3 written like this. So z1 into z2 into z3 equal to, we write like this, z1 into z2 z3. It is the associative property. Number 4 is existence of multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity कसलाई भन्छ? There exists a complex number 1. 1 is known as multiplicative identity, because if we multiply by any number to 1, we get always same number. So if z is complex number multiplied by 1, always we get z. So this one is known as multiplicative identity. Number 5, existence of multiplicative inverse. Most important thing here, multiplicative inverse भन्ने चीज के हो? जस्तो 2 छ, 2 को inverse 1 by 2, 1 by 2 को inverse 2. So like the, for every complex number z, there exists a complex number 1 by z such that z into z को inverse के भयो 1 by z, because if z multiplied by 1 by z, z is cancel and we get 1. तो 1 पाउनु पर्छ multiplicative inverse कुनै दुईटा को inverse. Suppose we have one number is 5, तो 5 inverse 1 by 5, after cancel out we get 1. Always we get 1 in the case of this multiplicative inverse. So if z is complex number, inverse of this 1 by z. Now number 6, distributive property. For any three complex numbers, associative र distributive को लागि तीनटा complex number हुनु पर्यो. So three complex numbers, if it is given z1 into in the bracket z2 plus z3, then how to write? z1 into z2 plus z1 into z3. So it is the distributive property of the multiplication of complex numbers. Now see the division of two complex numbers. How to divide the two complex numbers? Division of two complex numbers. If given a two complex numbers z1 and z2, where z2 is not equal to 0, quotient denominator कहिले 0 हुँदैन, then the quotient z1 मा z2 ले divide गर्दाखेरि it is defined by z1 by z2 equal to z1 into 1 by z2. So it is the division of two complex numbers. Now question number 1 is, express each of the complex numbers given in the exercises 1 to 10 in the form of a plus ib. It is to express in the form of a plus ib. So how to solve this? We have in the first bracket 5i, in the second bracket 3 by 5i. It is multiplication, so 5 and 5 becomes cancel. So we have here I into minus 3i. So this I into I square into minus 3. Check once again, 5i into minus 3 by 5i, 5 cancel, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, and we have I into minus 3i, I into I becomes I square into minus 3, and value of I square is minus 1 into this minus 3, so this answer is 3. We will write here I square is minus 1. So it is the answer of question number 1. So we will see question number second is, question number 2 is I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. So we solve this. I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. Now check this. So in such type of questions always try to get this I square. You निकाल्नु try गर्नु पर्छ I power 2. So if we write here I square, अब I square लेख्यो भने 2 को टेबल पढ्नु पर्छ. 2 multiply by multiplication table of 2 to get 9, but we cannot get 9. So 2 4 is 8. We can get 2 4 is 8. Power to power multiply. The 2 4 is 8 into एउटा पुगेन, एउटा I. Check once again. I to the power 9 is written as I square लेख्नु पर्छ. भ्यालु पुट गर्नुको लागि I square को 2 4 is 8. त 2 4 is यो 8 भयो into अर्को I गर्दाखेरि I to the power 9 plus just like here I to the power 19 पहिले लेख्नु पर्यो I square and try to get this 19. 2 9 18. 2 9 18. 2 9 18. 1 remains here. एउटा I लेख्यो. त 2 9 is 18 में 1 I को power 1 जोड्दा 19 भयो. अब now value of I square minus 1 to the power 4 into I plus it is also I square. Value is minus 1 to the power 9 into I. So it is minus 1 4 times. Minus 1 को कुनै minus को power even छ भने answer के हुन्छ plus into I. यो plus minus 1 power odd, it becomes minus. कुनै नेगेटिभ नम्बर जुन छ उसको इभन पावर छ भने पोजिटिभ हुन्छ, odd छ भने नेगेटिभ हुन्छ into I. So I1 is I and this plus into minus minus I1 is I minus I, this becomes 0. So it is the answer of question number second. So with the help of these questions you can try other questions. So students, you can do some questions from this 1 to 10 remaining questions. Now I will do number 11. Find the multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i. इसको multiplicative inverse find out गर्नु पर्ने छ. So multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i, inverse भने इसको उल्टा कति हुन्छ 1 by 4 minus 3i. Very easy. And how to solve this? Into in the denominator 4 minus 3i, तो rationalize rational factor of this 4. If it is negative, RF is positive. R 4 plus 3i, त्यसले multiply पनि त्यही नम्बरले डिवाइड गर्नु पर्यो. चेक once again. Multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i, इसको उल्टा के हुन्छ इन्भर्स 1 by 4 minus 3i. इसको रेशनलाइज गर्दाखेरि माथि भेट्छ 4 plus 3i, डाउन plus 4 plus 3i. This into this 4 plus 3i and it is a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a plus b. This formula a square minus b square. So a is 4, a is square and b is 3i, it is square. Now it becomes 4 plus 3i. Here a square, 4 square 16 minus 3i square, 9i square. 3i into 3i, 9i square. In the numerator it is coming 4 plus 3i पायो. Now 16 minus 9 into value of I square is equal to I square is equal to minus 1. In the place of I square we put minus 1. So 4 plus 3i by 16 minus into minus 9 into minus 1 plus 9. So 4 plus 3i by 25. Now it may be written as 1 by 25 into 4 plus 3i. So it is the answer of question number 11. So you can do other questions like the same process.